Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged and has been turned off for safety. Start by removing the dust container. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the battery compartment. Next, locate the screws securing the battery cover. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws on the back of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you will see the battery. Disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the main unit. If you encounter resistance, check for any clips that may be holding it in place. With the old battery removed, take your new compatible battery and connect it to the same connector. Ensure it clicks into place securely. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with a soft cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. Now replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws using your T15 Torx screwdriver, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid stripping the screws. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the screws are secure, reattach the dust container by sliding it back into position until you hear a click. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you're all set. For those who prefer not to tackle this themselves, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service at your convenience. Thank you for following this guide on replacing the battery of your Dyson SV12. With these steps, you can extend the life of your vacuum and maintain its performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.